Hello everyone, in this video I will make a quick revision of electron transport system. Where did you study this? It comes in respiration in plant. What have you studied in that lesson? Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, ETS. What are the components of ETS? What is the significance of ETS? We shall focus that part. ETS consists of 4 complexes of electron carriers. This type of electron carriers are also located in thylakoid membrane of chloroplast and plasma membrane of bacteria. Let me go back to inner membrane of mitochondria. I never find electron carrier in the outer membrane or matrix or any other component of the cell. The inner membrane, the first complex of the inner membrane has 2 important electron carriers. One is flavoprotein, flavin mononucleotide, and another one is iron sulfur containing protein. This complex is associated with the enzyme that is NADH dehydrogenase. The second complex doesn't have significant role in ETS. It comes in one of the steps of Krebs cycle. This is succinate dehydrogenase complex. It doesn't have any other electron carrier. Third complex has cytochrome BC1. There is also a FES protein. Fourth complex has cytochrome A3. In between these complexes, there are few more electron carriers. Well, here between first complex and third complex, there is ubiquinone. It is lipophilic, non-protein, mobile electron carrier. Normally, students get confused in this part. Remember, this ubiquinone collects electron from first complex and then it transfers it to third complex. Or it can also collect electron from this second complex, NADH dehydrogenase. Therefore, ubiquinone is electron carrier between first complex and third complex, between second complex and third complex. NADH donates its 2 electron to this complex. The electron has to be transferred to the next complex through ubiquinone only. Imagine FeDH2 joins electron transport system. Now it can't be first complex. You have to skip first complex. In that case, ubiquinone collects electron from here and then it goes to next complex. When the electrons reach the last complex, through series of redox reaction, oxygen appears as a final electron acceptor. Highly electronegative molecular oxygen reacts with proton, electron to form water. I can take 4 protons to get metabolic water. In the absence of oxygen, mitochondria cannot run this ETS. Oxygen is one of the important requirements for this aerobic respiration or mitochondrial respiration. Some of the bacteria, such as Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus, can use nitrate as electron acceptor. You have studied that in mineral nutrition, denitrification process. Nitrate, NO3 minus, would be reduced to N2, that is nitrogen gas. Whereas mitochondria are evolved to use only oxygen as final electron acceptor. There can't be any other electron acceptor. Highly electronegative compared to any other electron carriers of any other complex. This is less electronegative, more electronegative. And compared to second complex, third one has more electronegative. Compared to the fourth complex, this one has less electronegative. This one has more electronegative. Finally, oxygen appears as highly electronegative electron acceptor. Therefore, there is terminal oxidation and formation of metabolic water. Now, how is this linked to ATP synthesis? Electron transport system doesn't give you directly ATP. No ATP from this or this or this. What happens is, when this NADH donates electron to this, it will form proton. The electrons go to third complex. Third complex will also pump proton. Fourth complex will also pump proton. That proton is enough for the synthesis of 3 ATP. However, FADH2 will skip this complex. Therefore, the proton pumped by only third and fourth would be enough for the synthesis of only 2 ATP. That's how you calculate number of ATP synthesized from one glucose. Glucose cannot be oxidized directly in one step. After glycolysis, pyruvate goes to mitochondria. Krebs cycle begins. And then this ETS will operate. There is ATP synthesis. This type of mechanism is most important for NEET. So we will try to discuss this kind of mechanism in the next video.